Ready to declutter your Shein cart for a faster, smoother checkout? First, let's tackle the mobile app. Open your Shein app. You should see the familiar Shein homepage. Now, look at the bottom of your screen. See that little shopping cart icon? Tap it. That's where all the magic, or in this case, the decluttering begins. Okay, you're in your cart. You should see all the items you've added. Find the item you want to remove. To the right of each item, you'll see a little red trash can icon. Tap that trash can. Poof, just like that. It's gone. The app might ask you to confirm if you're really sure. So tap yes or okay. Alright, website users, your turn. Head over to the Shein website and log in. Once you're logged in, click on the shopping bag icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. This takes you to your cart. Similar to the app, you'll see all your selected items listed here. Underneath each item, you should find a button that says remove or delete. Click that button. Again, you might be asked to confirm your decision. Confirm it, and that item is banished from your cart. And that's it. Whether you're on the app or the website, removing items from your Shein cart is super easy. This helps you make sure you only order exactly what you need. Now you're ready for a smooth checkout. Happy shopping, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shein tips.